So, you want to talk about future plans? Easy. Just remember, when you're making arrangements, use the present continuous tense. It's simple. I am meeting him tomorrow. She is attending the conference next week. They're having a meeting on Saturday. See? It's all about using am, is, or are with the ing form of the verb. Stay ahead of the game with the present continuous for future plans. Using the present continuous for future arrangements adds a touch of certainty to our plans. Imagine saying, I'm meeting him tomorrow at 5 p.m., or she's attending the conference next week, or even they're having a party on Saturday. These statements show that the wheels are in motion, the plans are set, and the excitement is building. So, next time you talk about your future plans, remember, the present continuous is your ticket to showcasing those definite arrangements. Stay tuned for more linguistic insights.